Kruger blessing. How's it, guys? How's it, guys? How you doing? It's your boy Papa Beast, and welcome to the vlog. You know, boss. It's a new day. It's in the morning right now, guys. I actually woke up now recently, not that long ago. But yeah, as you can see, that's why I'm still rocked up, like in the previous vlog. But yeah, just wanted to quickly actually update you guys on what's happening with gold, and show you what one you guys. But anyways, let's get straight to it. Let me just quickly show you all. If you guys remember, on the 4 hour we had two fair value gaps. One was this one over here. This was on yesterday's vlog. If you checked, if you haven't watched yesterday's vlog, make sure that you actually watch it right now so you can have an understanding at what we're looking at currently. You understand? Because we're going daily, so you have to be up on par. So make sure that you watch yesterday's vlog to fully understand if you haven't watched it. But anyways, let's continue. So as I said, we had this fair value gap, but however, we did take a trade here, a buy, but I did say that it's a risky trade because we have this major fair value gap over here. So yeah, now in the AMs, we did actually tap into the fair value gap. Now we have to look if this fair value gap would be respected. All right, since we got a closure as well on H4, we have to keep an eye on it. But however, let's go to 15. On 15, we waiting for this 15-minute candlestick to close, which is going to close in the next minute and 50 seconds. Closing above the CISD, seeing if okay, now we are looking to actually change directions to head on to the buys. So now, yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see if that will happen. So we're gonna have to look at this CISD and also this one over here. This is the major one. If we pass up above this level, then we might be interested in taking some long trades. I'll update you guys along the way. For right now, what I'm going to do is going to refresh. I'm going to bath, do some errands, clean the house and do some things. But I'll catch you guys later and see what the market does. And anyways, even when I execute, I'll let you guys know. But anyways, Kruger blessings away. So yeah, guys, so while I was doing the errands, cleaning that side, the market actually did play out at a later stage. So let me just pause this music. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, we got actually some buying opportunities over here. So we bought open 2 positions to the buy side, and we're targeting 1:2. So this is going to be 1:2. We're going to take half out and leave the other positions running. Or we'll do that and just leave the other position running, the last position running. With that position, we'll just move our stop loss into entry, then push to the upside. We're pushing up. However, it's still a bit too early to confirm that it's going up. We still have to see the market breaking a bit of some other highs above. Maybe like on a daily, breaking above this levels on a daily or 4 hour, then I'll be more convinced that we still are continuing to the upside. But for now, we're in the trade, we're in profits. We just have to wait and see how everything goes. It seems like we're already chasing our first take profit, guys. It seems like we're already chasing our first take profit. So as I said, when we get here, guys, we're gonna just take out half of our profits. We're gonna take half of our profits because we opened 2 positions. So yeah, I'll update you guys, and pretty much we're gonna do something, man, today. I'll see what we can be active with, make this vlog more interesting instead of just looking at the trades. Maybe do something that will not let us focus on the chart, because focusing on the chart sometimes is really bad. I advise you guys out there, like, as soon as you've done seeing something or I've analyzed or saw an opportunity in the market, wait for the market to come to you, right? Execute and get out of there. You understand? Place the trades, place your take profit to stop loss, and get out of there. And let the market do its thing, because sometimes, as us people, we end up being too much on the charts, and we get we get confused because we seeing the market moving live, like in front of us, and we end up taking decisions that we're not supposed to be taking, like irrational decisions out of the blue because you're so stuck onto the market. So always make sure that do what you have to do in the market and go out and just do something else that you were interested in life. So that's why I always tell people that if you want to be a day trader and actually be a good trader and actually do this for the long run, always have a plan B, always have something on the side that you can be busy with that. Because Asian fana, I won't lie, you won't survive. But yeah, some people do, but I don't really recommend it. Always believe that you need to get out of the market sometimes. But anyways, guys, I'll check y'all. Let the market do its thing, then I'll update you. Away, guys. So yeah, as you guys have seen right now with the screenshot that I just made, is that we've reached our initial take profit. As you can see over here, we've reached our initial take profit, and what I've done, I just moved my stop loss a bit into more profits, but we're gonna let that trade run furthermore, guys. We're gonna let the trade run furthermore. We're not gonna close it anytime soon. I want to see how long we can actually hold that trade, but so far so good, guys. I'm out here, as I said, after trading I would like to go out and have some relaxation time, so came here to watch some kids playing some soccer. So yeah, everything is Gucci. Nice beautiful trade on gold. So yeah, let me just relax, guys, and I'll see y'all whenever. I'll update you as the day goes. I don't know what's there for me or what's going on, but most definitely you guys will be part of it. So anyway, salute. Another beautiful day, beautiful trades. So we're lit, we up. So I think I'm running on 1,001, 1,002 profits right now, but pretty sure that you guys have seen already. But let's get it, guys. Away. So as you guys can see, we actually hit our first take profit, guys. We hit our first take profit. And before I continue, let me just remove stuff and declutter all of these things, because it looks horrible, man. This is the ones that we lost, the trades that we lost yesterday. Let's delete. As you guys can see, we hit our first take profit, and this was a 1:2 ratio. To be honest, I haven't closed. Let me actually close one of the trades right now. As you guys can see, I got 2 positions open. I'm gonna close one. Done, closed 1 position there. So what I'll do, I'll move the 1 position that's left. I'll move the stop loss into entry. So, and our take profit, our initial take profit is this, but what we will do is we'll wait and see how the market reacts when it gets here. But once the market gets here, what I'll do, I'll move my stop loss just right below this low over here, and just have a bit of more onto profits if it decides to actually now retest towards the downside. Because what I'm also seeing is that we have a fair value gap on the hour time frame, which is this one over here. So the market can actually decide to break above, come retest this levels, then push up. So what I'll be waiting for is a closure above this high. So I would love to see the market actually breaking this highs and closing above, then push down, then see if we can retest this level. So yeah, as soon as we break that and close above, as I said, we'll move stop loss just right below there. So the trade is looking really healthy so far, guys. It's really looking healthy so far, looking good. And to be honest, with the losses that we got here, from the two trades from the buy, as I did say that it's going to be a risky trade. We lost a couple of monies. As you saw yesterday, after profiting from the sells, we got to 2,000 rand. And from those two trades, we lost around about 800. So before putting the buy trades today, we were on a balance of 1.2. And right now, we're in a balance of 1.8. Yeah, we're on a balance of 1.8 because we closed one trade right now, which was 600 and something. So everything looking good, looking gravy. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Everything's looking good. So yeah, only thing that we can do right now is just wait. About this whole challenge that I'm pushing right now of rags to riches, of me posting almost every day, or every day if it's possible, of me actually starting from low and from starting from zero and actually achieving a milestone that I would love to achieve, which is, we already spoke about it, which is 50K. However, what I've decided on is that I don't want to start with this whole challenge like boom, already in the challenge, already trying to make as much money as possible, boom. Now, the whole thing is about how, as a beginner trader, like if you just new into trading, you want to get into it and you want to now start trading, things I want to put down, I want to do things or show you things that you need to guys pay attention to when trading, taking the process of actually starting from zero into getting to that milestone that you're looking for. So the main thing of what I was thinking about is that for the next coming 2 weeks, what I'll be doing is actually trading on a demo account, like a paper trading account, that you guys would also actually see that, oh, okay, the trades that we take and so forth, like you're gonna see everything on that paper trading account. So we can keep the history up there, knowing how many trades that we lost, how many trades that we profited, and I'm gonna expose that and actually show you guys the trades that we take on the daily basis. So within those 2 weeks of me doing that, it's also for me to master some of the skills that I need to master, because I am not a professional. I'm not a pro. I'm not saying I'm the best trader. I'm here to learn the way. I don't know if you guys are also here to learn, but if you're here to learn, number one, I'm also here learning with you guys along the way and showing you things that you don't even have to go through, problems that you don't even have to go through, that I will go through personally. So let's take this journey slowly. For the next 2 weeks, we're gonna take it on paper trading. Then after the second week, that's when now we're gonna go now to the live accounts. So what we're going to be doing, we're gonna do 2 accounts, one funded account and one real account, and that's how we're gonna be trading from in 2 weeks time. So for now, guys, just always remember that we're gonna be trading on a demo account, paper trading, to keep record and for you guys to see where I place trades and everything, and for us to actually master the strategy and master all of the things that we are learning within these 2 weeks. So I think that's a better way to take in this, and hope you guys are excited about it. I'm seriously excited about this whole journey. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's stop yapping and see where this takes us. So for now, I don't know. Since we're waiting for the market to actually move up and see if we're gonna go to our initial take profit, which was a 1:3 risk reward ratio trade. But now it's actually greater because we moved our stop loss into entry, so we are safe. Meanwhile, I'll figure out what we can do. Maybe I can go to the park, read a book, or do whatever. We'll see. But anyways, I'll check you. I'll wait. Trade is still going good. It's still going good. The trade is still going good. I'm really happy that everything's going so smoothly. As you know, yesterday we had one good execution and we had 2 losses, but yeah, we're coming back. We lost like 800 rand yesterday, but today we are back. And hope you guys are learning a lot from this content that I'm pushing. But end of the day, it's still meant for me, end of the day, but I'd love for you guys to learn as well, to show you that, guys, this thing is also possible. I know that forex comes with a lot of stories and people saying it's a scam and everything. I understand, and this is why I've decided that I doing it for myself and nobody else, and this is just a channel that I am allowing you guys to be part of. So you guys got a privilege actually for actually being part of my journey. So yeah, man, it's been a good day, profitable day. I'm chilling right now with the fellas. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. preparing for this coming week. And because this coming weekend, guys, there's a lot of things that's going to happen, a lot of positive things that's going to happen that I want you guys to tag along with me and actually experience it and experience everything with me. So I don't want to spoil it. You guys will see when the weekend comes. So from tomorrow, I'm gonna be busy, probably, hopefully. Things happen tomorrow, so you guys can see us preparing like behind the scenes. Nyana. Then Saturday, you'll see what is really going on, what's up one. So yeah, guys, let me go chill out with the homeboys. Then I'll check you guys later when we check out the charts.